So the reason I'm coming here for the geothermal energy conference, it's for me very important, and even I have to say it's for me very domestic topic, because this is the same issues that they are dealing in the Czech Republic, and that's my idea was also to boost a little bit the cooperation between Serbia and Czech Republic. Vis-à-vis the Canadian company that has experience, especially with these geothermal issues, it's also great advantage for this cooperation. In this aspect, I was speaking here about the geothermal triangle that we have in the spa sector of the Czech Republic, which is very famous under the UNESCO protection. It's called Karlovy Vary, Mariánské Lázně, and Františkovy Lázně.